So you guys, MphoWaBadimo has revealed that she has been receiving numerous threats to delete her and her kids, you guys. So we recently shared screenshots of those threats, which one reads as follows. You stupid bitch, you can block numbers and people all you want, but we will find you. We wish that a baby you are carrying Ashone, because our king does not deserve the humiliation you brought to his life and that bastard child in our family. We know your house, car, and where your son goes to school. We will end you and we will not rest until you have fallen from your high horse. Are you even going to make it to Maputo Ngoba? Leso sisu, sizo Serial Puma. Yo, guys, that's creepy and scary. Now, please do engage with me down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so.